Hello. My name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. And if you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. Please feel free to relax and enjoy the content. Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so you are alerted when I upload new videos. Today, this video serves as the recovery method for a brute force attack. If you have not done so, look at the previous video that was uploaded. It's the brute force attack. Now we are going to recover from it so we can get our Dunkin' Donuts back. All right, so we're logging into root user via SSH on the victim host. And we're doing this to demonstrate the insecure root login that is possible via SSH. It is highly bad practice to allow root login, and I'm gonna give you a little definition of root user a little into the video so you can understand why it's highly bad practice. Okay, so we're changing the SSH config on the victim's host to deny root SSH logins. So now what you're seeing is we're attempting to log in via SSH on the victim's host. And as can be seen, the root login is now prohibited. Even though it's just shoving passwords and just guessing, you'll be surprised that not often, but when it works, whew, it works more than you think. So what you're seeing here that's happening right now is we're brute forcing the password of the victim account Callie via SSH. And we're doing this to demonstrate there is no restriction regarding SSH brute forcing, and the password America is about to be found. And Kali is another operating system similar to Windows. What you're seeing happening now is we're installing and configuring fail to ban restriction software on the victim's host. It will be used to prevent the SSH brute force attacks. SSH, what is that? I gotcha with the definition, okay? So we are attempting to brute force victim's host again, attempting to manually log in via SSH, and fail to ban successfully blocks the host after very short amount of time. Even a single manual login does not work anymore. So here is a nice part. This part right here, I like this part. So what you're seeing now is we're checking the use passwords on have I been PWNED. I don't know if have I been pawned or owned, whatever. So we're checking the use passwords on have I been PWNED.com for leakage, right? And we're modifying the password to be secure and we're gonna recheck. And as will be seen, the passwords are highly common, meaning they should never be used. As soon as you add some special characters, the password, whenever you add special characters, it gives a higher chance of your passwords not being leaked anymore. That's why you have so many, whenever you try to create your passwords to any kind of software application online, they always encourage you to use multiple characters, multiple different types of special characters, so it decreases the chance of it being on have I been PWNED.com. All right, so as can be seen, it's not leak anymore. So we are now using the new secure password to change the password of the Kali victim user. But we are safer from when we was in the last video because we have successfully prevented this brute force attacks, and we can also refer back to the Have I Been Pawned website to make sure that all our passwords have not been leaked whatsoever. That's how you prevent a brute force attack. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button right below the video and subscribe by clicking the big red button right below the video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then you will probably enjoy these videos that's on the screen right now. So if you click on the screen right now, you can watch those. Want a cyber attack you want me to recover or prevent? Write in the comment section below. Also, click the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications when I upload new videos. Lastly, please feel free to watch other videos on this channel. You don't know where to subscribe? I'm looking at you right now. I'm wearing a dark blue shirt. I'm smiling at you. Click on my face. I'm smiling with a dark blue shirt. That's how you subscribe. Stay safe, Hack Pack. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.